In today's video, I'm going to open up the G9 Nano by Fantiik. It's going to be a really short video because I'm like only a little bit excited about this guy. The reason I purchased it, and I actually purchased it, I was going to ask Fantiik for it, but I looked it up on Amazon and it was $15. It's on sale right now. It's like $40 normal, but I'll put an affiliate link for Amazon down below. I have a theory that it's coming out with, because they're going to come out with the G10. But don't buy it from the Fantiik website, buy it from Amazon if you are going to purchase this, because you can get this for 15 bucks. I always like the Fantiik includes nice little carrying cases with all their stuff. And they include like a little cleaning brush, which I guess goes in the stand. Let's see. And I was really confused because one of the reasons I bought this is because it had like a pad with it, but I took a peek in here and there was no pads. But I looked online and there's the pads. So it looks like, is that how that goes? Huh, what? Oh, there's a pad. Another pad. Oh, and some more. Oh, that's how it attaches to the pad. Oh, and then this magnet. Pretty cool. And then I guess I don't really know where that goes. Oh, I guess that could be one of them, and then one goes on it. Okay, well that makes sense. Okay, let's get rid of this and put this in here. Okay, nothing else in the box. Oh, there is something else in the box. Okay, there is a little tiny micro, or USB-A to USB-C. So it's probably like 2 feet, I think. 2 feet. And I do have to make the video short, as you can maybe hear. The cat is just going crazy in the background. She's so upset that she's not getting treats. Okay, this is it, the Fanttik G9 Nano. And you know what? It's nice and beefy. For $15, I'm excited. Let's see if it has any juice in there. Oh, there we go. Okay, it does. And one of the reasons I bought this is Miss Rando Tech Nerd recently had something going on with her hand, so it made it hard for scrubbing. And just so you know, I offered to do the scrubbing. I was like, I can totally do the scrubbing, but she was like, you know, we can find something that can help. Ooh. Okay. I like that. Huh. Oh, I have a little glove rash from working in the lab. Oh yeah, that feels nice. That's really nice. Okay. But it looks like only one speed. On or off. And it seems like, yeah, I mean, it is pretty strong. I will live with this for a little while. I'll let you know how it goes. And I will keep my rashes to myself in the future. Sorry about that. Okay, that's a pretty cool attachment. Alright, so there's one more over here. It's like a little pointy guy, maybe to get in the crevices. Oh yeah. Okay. And then let's see. This one, can it fit on? Okay, to get like in tubes and bottles. Yeah, I like that. All right, what else we got? Let's see the discs. One of the reviews I read, hey Lulu, you coming in? You coming in for the video? One of the reviews I said, or I watched, it said that it's hard to find replacements of these. So that's something to consider. Please stop stealing stuff. So if you do buy this, maybe you can only find these replacements from Fantiik. One reason I think the G10 is coming is because I did see the replacements for the G10. So I don't know if that was just a typo or it's coming up. What do you think, Lulu? Is that scary? No? And then it looks like you only get one of these, so you'd have to swap in between. Is that yours now? And then, there we go. What do you think? Yeah, Lulu's not very scared or anything. But yeah, I'll try it out. I'll let you know how long the battery lasts. I think it's supposed to be water resistant. So we'll see how that goes as well. And let's see how it is for petting cats. You like it, Buns? Hmm? Oh, I think she likes it. Yeah, you feel good? You feel nice? Okay, well, she's unsure. Anyways, this is the Fanttik G9 Nano. I've just been having it on my counter for so long, and I've been like, we can't use it till I unbox it. But I really didn't want to make this too long, so this is what you get in the box if you do purchase. I recommend, if you're interested, to purchase it now for that $15 price. I wouldn't purchase it at a $40 price tag, but for $15 and only wanting to scrub in this speed, I think it's pretty nice. I'm going to pause really quick and read the manual just to make sure I'm not missing anything. I'll hop back on if there's anything else. Okay, so according to the manual, it's fully immersible in water. This is where you can get the Type-C charging. You pop it in there. And then it says with 100 minutes of charging time, you get 155 minutes of unloaded use. There isn't any other speeds, but you get this nice little green light here. And then the other thing is, I looked on the website and I saw replacements for the G9 Pro and G9 Handy. They look like maybe they're the same size, but they aren't these heads. So if I can't even find it from Fantiik, I don't know if you can get replacements. But for $15.90, if you really like it, you might just buy two just to have the replacements. I don't know. But I looked at it and I think the original price was like $60 or $70. So for $15, it's a steal. For $70 or $60, I would not buy this. I think it's a cool product, but that's just a little too expensive. So I think I made this video at the right time because that's a pretty great price for this little guy. And if you are into tech, 3D printing, and fun stuff like that, consider subscribing. My next review will be on this Boya Notra AI recorder. I've had it for about a month and a half, so I have lots of thoughts on this. I'll go over the app and how it works and the different modes and all of that in a future video. And also, I'm getting back into my 3D printing with my Explorer IQEX, and I'm building a new website, Rando Cardner, to print. Where is this guy? RFID cards with QR codes, but I'm not just printing them. I'm actually making an app that you can use to print your own with your own logo and embed a chip inside of it. I've actually purchased a bunch of like different chip options. Where's that other one? Oh, here we go. Here's one of them. So lots of fun stuff coming. Hopefully this video helps if you're looking for a little scrubber or just considering purchasing this. All right, I'll catch you nerds on the next one. Thanks for checking out the video. Bye!